Pet-friendly na aesthetic cafe sa Santa Maria na may DIY ramyun din. Tara! Yung mga kanusa, alam nyo ba ang nalaman ko? Kami ay napadpad dito sa kilometer 37, second floor ng LLS Building, Pulong Buhangin, Santa Maria, Bulacan. Malapit sa Flex Fuel at Paresan ng Masa upang mag-food trip at magkape sa The Steer Coffee. As you can see, meron silang parking area. Makikita nyo din naman sila sa Waze app at may elevator din paakyat ng cafe. They have a Scandinavian interior na Instagrammable bawat sulok ng cafe. Meron silang good overlooking view with their glass window facing the streets na mapapasenti ka pag tag-ulan o kaya naman during sunset. They have this high chair setup at usual table sets. They have free Wi-Fi at may outlets kaya naman they are also a co-working space. Let's go to their food. For appetizers, may nacho beef queso dip na good for sharing ang atake. You will also love its cheesy dip. For pasta, you can try their creamy Alfredo pasta at Phil Italian penne pasta na naku, di ka mabibitin sa sauce dahil generous kaya kasasarap. For egg drop, you can try their spam nori and triple chicken melt na bestseller nila dahil sa di tinipid na rekado kaya masarap. Kung chicken lover ka, don't hesitate to order chicken and fries combo na may flavors na Korean barbecue and sour cream na juicy ang manok at masarap ang flavor. For rice meals, pwede ka mag-garlic parmesan chicken, spicy Hungarian sausage o kaya naman pork tonkatsu. Nakita naman sa video na madami din ang serving. For desserts, may Nutella Al Capone at Biscoff Croffle na bestseller for croffle nila at classic French toast naman na di umay sa tamis pero masarap. For drinks, they have Java Chip and Cafe Caramel for ice blended drinks. Oreo with cream puff and Dino Choco Malt with salted cream for milk tea naman ang pwede nyo itry. Kiwi Yakult for refreshers. Kung coffee lover ka, bagay sa'yo itong Biscoff Creamy Latte, Ice S'mores Latte at Ice Shaken White Mocha nila. Matcha salted cream naman ang dapat itry for milk base. May pieces din sila like brownies, Revel bars, and cookies. FYI that they promote sustainability by using reusable cups and get 10 pesos off if you bring the cup the next time you visit. As what I've said, pet-friendly sila kaya naman meron din silang ino-offer na cappuccino for your pets. And lastly, meron silang DIY ramyun na perfect ngayong tag-ulan. You can choose your noodles and add-ons, pay and cook, and voila! You can eat it na. If naka 500 peso bill ka, pwede ka maglaro ng kanilang claw machine and manalo. Kung magpapadeliver ka naman, they deliver through Foodpanda and may in-house delivery din sila. Kung pupunta kayo, open sila from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. pag weekdays at 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. naman pag weekend. So ano pa hinihintay mo? Tara na dito sa The Steer Coffee sa Santa Maria, Bulacan. Let's go!